got a little info here. So these are 14-watt stereo speakers with
Presenting the boAt Stone 1000 Portable Wireless Speaker. It's a 14-watt dual speakers which produces louder bass and crystal clear sound. The speakers are IPX5 water and dust resistant certified. It comes with a battery capacity of 3000 mAh, which requires a charging time of 2 to 2.5 hours and has a playtime of 8 hours. However, battery life depends on various conditions of usage. It can easily be paired with all types of devices that use Bluetooth technology and has a range of 10 meters. It also can be connected through aux cable. It comes in navy blue and black color variants. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.